Hello. Asa yung faces, guys?
Hi, Yaya!
Hello.
Hi!
Congratulations!
Hello. Congratulations. Tawagan ko dun.
Congratulations! Balagbayag box number 10.
Wala
Sure,
pa
it's an
kami.
ID. An ID.
Okay guys, gikapoy na yung yaya. So you have 2 minutes to send. Dili kang yaya mother. Dito ra sa pay it forward. One time to send valid ID.
Valid ID, ma'am. One lang.
You ready? If wakwak labay,
Yes, ma'am.
then ikaduhang sent labay, third sent suspended. Okay? Okay, 2
Okay,
minutes
ma'am.
starts now. Send na po. Time starts now. Nagkasali ka daw.
Tagalinabu, ma'am.
Wow.
Where's
Uy, balingasag.
Bring a sec. Bring a sec.
Shout
Yes,
out,
ma'am.
balingasag nun.
Kabayan mo.
Grabe kay karon uy. But anyway, bilaran na to guys, balik bayan box. Okay?
She's gonna send.
Nag-send ka na pa. Double check na to.
Wait po.
Dam, one time lang dam. Dili cricket, dili upside down. Kailangan char. Okay, you have 1 minute and 27 seconds. To claim magamay madako.
1 minute naman ba? Ngita pa ko, ma'am.
Ay naku, dam. Di ba ganina na ako nagsabay nga ready,
Yeah,
set,
ready?
go. Ay
ready?
nako.
She's getting ready.
Dana, ma'am.
You still got 1 more minute.
Okay, 1 whole minute na lang dam.
Dana.
You did it? Huh?
Okay, wait sa dam.
Refresh rate.
Ay naku, dam. What happened, dam? Why?
Ay, cricket, ma'am.
Sideways. Sideways. Sideways, bro. Send it. Send it straight. Or is the name wrong? Right? Name matching?
Dam. Sige, tanong. Sorry, second.
So it's not quite upside down, but it's sideways.
It's fine.
Okay lang, ma'am. Send, otro.
Dili ako mag-send otra. Dam, last warning na nila. Kapoy na pod ko. Pero next time, dam, labay ni sa dam, okay? Pero we will bend the
Okay.
small rules. Next time, mag-send ta, dili
'Cause you
cricket
were
dam,
close.
okay?
Yeah.
So anyway,
Okay,
congratulations! Yours na po, balik bayan box number 10!
Congratulations on your Balakbayan
Thank you,
box number 10.
ma'am.
Okay, see you. Congrats and banat, balik.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, see you. God bless.
Yes, ma'am.
Ay, nako. Or just give it to her na lang. You did it?